Its versatility allows it to complement different decor themes, making it a timeless choice for homeowners. Wood furniture can significantly enhance the ambience of a room. Whether it's a rustic dining table, a sleek modern chair, or a classic wooden cabinet, these pieces add warmth and texture to interior spaces. The unique grain patterns and colors of wood create a warmth and beauty that many synthetic materials cannot replicate. Each piece of wood has its own character, making every furniture item unique. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture ideas and wood projects to sell for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is not just a hobby, it's a craft that can yield beautiful furniture pieces and profitable projects. With a blend of creativity, skill, and market awareness, you can transform raw timber into stunning products that appeal to buyers. Here are some innovative ideas for wood furniture and projects you can create and sell for profit. Creating and selling wood furniture and projects can be a rewarding venture both creatively and financially. By focusing on unique designs, quality craftsmanship, and effective marketing, you can tap into a market that appreciates handmade and sustainable products. Whether you choose to create custom furniture, functional storage solutions, or decorative art pieces, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your creativity, hone your skills, and watch as your woodworking projects turn into profitable endeavors. Reclaimed wood has gained immense popularity due to its sustainability and unique aesthetic. Creating pieces like dining tables, coffee tables, and benches from reclaimed wood not only appeals to eco-conscious consumers but also provides a rustic charm that many find appealing. Wood has been a fundamental material in furniture making for centuries, revered for its beauty, durability, and versatility. This natural resource not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of our living spaces but also offers a myriad of benefits that contribute to its continued popularity. In this article, we will explore the various advantages of using wood in furniture, from its environmental impact to its health benefits, design versatility, and economic value. One of the most immediate benefits of wood is its inherent beauty. Each piece of wood is unique, with distinct grain patterns, colors, and textures. This uniqueness allows furniture makers to create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that add character and warmth to any space. Wood can be crafted into a variety of styles, from rustic to modern. Whether it's a traditional oak dining table or a sleek walnut coffee table, wood furniture can complement any interior design theme. This versatility makes wood an ideal choice for both contemporary and classic homes. Wood is a strong and resilient material. Hardwoods, such as oak, maple, and cherry, are particularly known for their durability. Properly maintained wood furniture can last for generations, making it a worthwhile investment. Unlike synthetic materials, wood can often be repaired and refinished. Scratches, dents, and other imperfections can be sanded out, and the surface can be restained or varnished to restore its original beauty. This ability to maintain and rejuvenate wood furniture adds to its longevity. When sourced responsibly, wood is a renewable resource. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that trees are harvested in a way that maintains ecological balance and minimizes environmental impact. Choosing furniture made from sustainably sourced wood can contribute to forest conservation efforts. Trees absorb carbon dioxide as they grow, helping to mitigate climate change. When wood is used in furniture, it continues to store carbon, reducing the overall carbon footprint of the product. By choosing wooden furniture over synthetic alternatives, consumers can support carbon sequestration efforts. Unlike plastic and other synthetic materials, wood is biodegradable. At the end of its life cycle, wooden furniture can decompose naturally, returning to the earth without polluting the environment. This characteristic makes wood a more eco-friendly option for furniture. Wood has been shown to improve indoor air quality. Unlike synthetic materials that can off-gas harmful chemicals, wood naturally regulates humidity and releases moisture into the air, creating a healthier living environment. Studies have indicated that wooden interiors can help reduce stress and promote well-being. When treated with natural finishes, wood furniture can be a non-toxic alternative to synthetic materials. Many modern wood treatments use low, volatile organic compounds finishes that are safer for both the environment and human health, making them suitable for homes with children and pets. Wood has excellent acoustic properties, making it an ideal material for spaces where sound quality is important. It can absorb sound, reduce echo, and improve overall acoustics in a room. This is particularly beneficial in home theaters, music rooms, or any space where noise control is desired. Wood is incredibly versatile, allowing for easy customization. It can be stained, painted, or left natural, enabling consumers to tailor their furniture to their specific tastes and preferences. Whether you prefer a light Scandinavian finish or a dark, rich mahogany, wood can accommodate a wide range of aesthetics. From tables and chairs to cabinets and shelving, wood can be used in various furniture applications. Its adaptability makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor furniture, allowing for cohesive design throughout a home or garden. Quality wood furniture can appreciate over time. Antique wooden pieces, especially those made from rare hardwoods or by renowned craftsmen, can become valuable collectibles. Investing in well-crafted wood furniture can yield financial returns in the long run. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture ideas and wood projects to sell for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.